Here's my Kobalt Betterbuilt brand mid-size pickup toolbox. I have it on a 2002 Toyota Tacoma pre-runner. They will fit on all Tacomas. I've had this toolbox for about 4 months now. I bought it at Lowe's for about $140. The metal did come a little scuffed on the edges, but I was fine with that. The latches don't work very well. They're hard to operate, and you have to open it on both sides or that'll stick pretty bad. The lock doesn't work very well easily. I've heard these are the first things to go most of the time. It sticks a lot and doesn't seem to work very well. There's a good amount of storage in it. What I used to secure it is I bought J-bolts. I don't know what they're specifically meant for, but I hooked them around the side of the bed like that and tightened it down. I don't know if you can see that, but I think they costed me like $3, so it was worth it. So all in all, this is a pretty good toolbox. It's not the best by any means. You get what you pay for. So for $140 you get a locking toolbox, and I'm fine with that. But if you're looking for a top of the line toolbox, I suggest looking somewhere else.